Hello, my name is Holly. I'm 18 and I have been an electrical panel fitter at AF for 5 months.
Hi, I'm Fernie. I'm 27. I've been here for nearly 4 months now. So our roles here as apprentices, we are electrical panel fitters. So we're in charge of making sure that all the panels are ready, wired up and tested before we ship them out.
It's the last step in the part of building the panels. So we've got to make sure it's all perfect for the customers.
And there's so many procedures into how we do it and where we start, and the whole process of actually making the panel itself is quite varied. And obviously it's not just within the actual shop floor where we're at. There's so many processes before it actually gets to us, and then we are, as I say, the final step, aren't we?
Yeah.
Before they get shipped away.
We go to college 1 day a week where we learn a little bit about the engineering aspects of things. At the moment we're learning about the health and safety side and the mechanical system side of things, so like your lubricants that you use and everything like that.
Best thing about our 1 day release of college is that obviously everything that we learn there, when we come back to our workplace, we can put that all into practice, and a lot of the things that we learn at work that we don't necessarily understand to begin with all gets put into perspective for us at college. So that background knowledge really helps us advance further forward during our training, really, which has really helped us. I mean, there's been a massive change from where we started to where we are now, and that's only in a time space of 4 to 5 months now.
Being the only females was quite daunting, but it is amazing. We don't get treated any differently, and
well, you and I as well, we're also a little support network for each other, considering that we're the only girls. It's quite nice seeing that it's not anything that we can't do. We can obviously still do the work that they do just as well, if not better sometimes. If not better.
It's just nice to have a female support there as well as the male, because sometimes you just need another female.
Someone that understands you.
Exactly. Yeah. If you're thinking of an apprenticeship, I'd say just go for it. It is one of the best things I've ever decided to do, and I don't think I could see myself doing anything else now.
Yeah, absolutely. There's earning money while you're learning is obviously a really good incentive for it. And if you're like me, you're a little bit older and worried about money, each year that you progress on it, the money does get better. So from a financial perspective, it's really beneficial in that aspect.